So, right now we are in Sharjah to have our dinner at the Afghan Tandoor. And let me tell you, this place is amazing. This is the menu, and you will find a lot of different items. And they have also recently updated their menu, but you can see the prices are so good for the quality of food that you get here. Actually, it is one of my favorite restaurants. So basically, when you go there, they serve you salad and then soup and then all kind of different chutneys, like to everyone, and also a minty drink. So this is the minty drink. It tastes so refreshing, really really good. So everybody gets it, no matter you ordered it or no. Next is this chicken spicy tandoori thing, and then we have this shinwari chicken. We ordered with two naan, and this time like we were a bit full, so we did not order any pulao. Their pulao is also really good. You should definitely try. And this chicken spicy tandoori was so good and tasty, I can't tell you. In the end, they give you ice creams for free. One scoop of ice cream for free, like you don't have to pay for it. And everyone, as I told you, who comes here gets it. So yeah, this was our meal. We also ordered kunafa because we love kunafa. So like after finishing everything, we got our food packed also because we don't leave leftovers. Now our kunafa has come, and this is cream kunafa. It comes in different variations. They give you this sugar syrup, and you add the syrup on kunafa according to your taste and preference of sugar. So it comes in like cream, cheese, pistachio, like the options are endless. And basically, you just add the sugar syrup on top, as much or as little as you want, and then just dig in. It is really delicious, I must tell you. I had ordered cream kunafa, and it was to die for.